Attract love like a magnet. A guide. Attracting love is a difficult task, but it is possible to win someone's heart with the right approach. It is important to understand that attraction is a complex process and involves both physical and psychological elements. The key to successful attraction is to know how to use these elements to your advantage. Physical attraction is one of the most important aspects of attraction. It involves physical features such as height, body shape, and facial features. It is important to take care of your physical appearance in order to make a good first impression. Dress well, groom yourself, and maintain good hygiene. Psychological attraction is just as important as physical attraction. It involves emotional connection, shared values, and common interests. To build a strong emotional connection, you must be able to communicate effectively and show genuine interest in the other person. It is also important to be confident and have a positive attitude. In order to attract someone, you must be able to make them feel special. Show them that you are interested in them and make them feel appreciated. Compliment them, give them gifts, and make them feel like they are the center of your world. Show them that you care about them and that you are willing to go the extra mile for them. It is also important to be yourself and show your true colors. Be honest and open about your feelings and don't be afraid to show your vulnerability. Be confident in who you are and don't be afraid to express yourself. People are attracted to those who are genuine and authentic. Finally, it is important to be patient and take your time. Attraction is a process and it takes time to build a strong connection. Don't rush things and take the time to get to know the other person. Be sure to put in the effort and be persistent in your pursuit. Attracting love is a difficult task, but it is possible to win someone's heart with the right approach. By understanding the complexities of attraction, taking care of your physical appearance, developing an emotional connection, making them feel special, being yourself, and being patient, you can attract love like a magnet and win their heart.